From the moment they're born, children depend on us to help nurture their growth and development. So we sat down with Dr. Kirk from United Healthcare to learn more about children's wellness and what you should know early on.
As we know, children's wellness is very important, especially right now. Why is it such an important issue to discuss, though, with new parents and guardians?
At United Healthcare, our mission is to help people live healthier lives. And during the time of COVID-19, this is a very important topic for families, especially families with newborns. We are really here to amplify the message of the American Academy of Pediatrics and the American College of Family Physicians that getting back into in-person preventive care is very important. Telehealth visits have really helped families during this time, but in-person preventive care allows families to have that physical exam, the immunizations, and the screening for developmental progress that's really needed during a preventive visit.
And what can be expected with the series of appointments?
Well, what's really important to understand is that within the first 15 months of life, there's at least 8 preventive visits. And during each one, there's a developmental screening that's very important. As we know, children develop rapidly during this time. And we also usually provide immunizations starting at as early as 6 weeks of life. And so it's very important not to get behind on that important immunization schedule. So this is one of the key elements we're trying to emphasize here as well.
Yeah. Is there anything that parents and guardians can do at home when they're not, at the doctor's office?
Yes, absolutely. So the key message in terms of washing your hands, wearing masks, including social distancing, all of the COVID precautions that we've talked about, and then observing your child's development and calling your pediatrician family practice provider to ensure you know if your child is up to date on their immunizations and screenings.
And like you said, people can go to the website to learn more. Are there any other platforms or search engines that they can use?
So cdc.gov is a great resource for immunization information, and healthychildren.org is a very helpful site for parents. The American Academy of Pediatrics has put that out.
And Dr. Kirk, just briefly talk a little bit more about United Healthcare and how that is also a great resource.
Well, United Healthcare's website is uhc.com/children's wellness, and this provides great checklists for families as they go through their preparation for these important early pediatric visits. Our purpose here is to amplify the message on getting back into preventive care, and uhc.com/children's wellness is a great website to answer any of those questions, especially for the early infancy period.
For more information and resources to help take care of your child's health, visit uhc.com/children's wellness.